So this is the fourth and final addition to the 2021 collection from Hornby for the Beatles. On this occasion it is the Yellow Submarine Wagon. So like with the other three wagons, we have the black cardboard packaging with the Beatles on the top and the top right, and of course Hornby's logo on the packaging as well, and the fact that it's for double gauge railways. If we take a look at the side, we'll also see it is R60010, the Beatles Yellow Submarine long wheelbase van. So let's take a look inside. So like with the other three wagons, we have got the wagon, we've got some protective film between itself and the vacuum formed plastic insert. I'll take the wagon out. This one does look particularly bright in its colours and extremely vivid. As with all four wagons, if you haven't seen them, there's links up at the top of the screen and you'll see them as this video progresses. It is a long wheelbase van. It has a one-piece chassis, large D-shaped couplings that are riveted on. They could be easily drilled out if you wished to change them for a different type of coupling. They have metal wheels. All the detail, all the moulded detail is there if you wanted to pick it out and highlight it with any weathering paints and things like that, or powders. It does have plastic buffers, and it has got a significant weight placed inside, which does definitely seem like it will keep it on the track and steady. So we've got a bright yellow roof, and I do mean bright yellow roof on this particular wagon. And I'm actually recording this in 4K to try and really emphasize just how bright and how vivid these colors are. So both ends of the van are just molded detail painted in blue, and then we have got the print work on the side. Now I remember when I did the Eurostar video and I couldn't get over just how great the print work was on there. I think you'll agree on this. They have equally managed to keep the print work as vivid and sharp as possible. There's great artwork there from the Beatles Yellow Submarine movie, as well as the albums, and I really do like this bit here. Absolutely wonderful, I do. You've got All You Need Is Love, everything on there, and it is exactly the same on the opposite side. Absolutely vivid. This is the fourth one out of the four wagons available for 2021. They were announced back in January and I did pre-order them. It was Katie's idea. Katie came up with the idea for the Eurostar, getting that one, and I've got to say I wasn't disappointed with that, and I'm not disappointed with these. These are definitely more of a display piece, but I still say that I will put them onto the layout and have them running around. I have had some comments on the previous videos, and one of them certainly made me think that these would actually go quite well in the Hornby circus trains, and we've got lots of those wagons, so I think they made a good and valid point there, especially the Magical Mystery Tour one you can see hiding in the background there would definitely look right in between one of those trains. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this look at the Beatles wagons. It is one of 4 videos. I've put them into a playlist along with the Eurostar. Until next time, see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget, if you haven't already subscribed, click on the round button. If you enjoyed this video and you want to watch some more, there's another video at the top of the screen and there's a playlist at the bottom. See you again soon.